Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Singapore. We're going to be going on this Skyline Luge on Sentosa Island. Let's go for it. So we're a bit early today. They're just setting up. We're about to start, but these are the little go-kart things we'll be going down the courses on. There's 4 courses. We've got these sort of ski lifts. They take you and the sort of go-karts up to the top. Never been on one of these before. Here we are. It goes quite high. And we're just coming down to the start of the course at the top of the hill. There are 4 courses. You start and you finish in the same place. But we'll be doing all 4 courses today and taking you along for the ride. So you've got to be very quick getting off these things. And here we are. There's no motors. It's all done by gravity. And we're just about to get onto our go-karts. We're going to have a little bit of a demonstration, instruction on how to go down them as fast as possible. And we're just getting ready to start the first course. Janet's pushing in front of me there, but I'm really excited. Let's go racing. Well, that was really fun. We had a great time going down the first course. I'm using the GoPro at the moment, but the next 3 courses I'll be using the 360 camera. Can't wait to try that out. But at the end of the course, you go through this little snake sort of separation thing, and then we can get out and get back on that stair lift. Janet's there on my right. Let's get off this thing. So this is a bit of a better view using the 360 camera. It's a great day today in Sentosa. We're quite early. It's about 10 a.m, 11 a.m, something like that. And the sun's trying to break through. It is forecasted a little bit of rain later, but I think we're going to be okay today. But yeah, it goes quite high, these things. I'm not great with heights, but we get a great view of the boats there out on the sea. And here we are. We're about to come down and get off and get racing on course number 2. And wow, that was quite fun. Really enjoying this so far. It's quite good value. I think it cost us about £24 for all 4 courses. But yeah, really, really great time. Let's get off of this thing. And we'll get on to the stair lifts again. Ski lift, sorry. And we'll make our way to the top of the hill again and get ready to go down to course number 3. But yeah, really, really good fun. People of all ages, so you've got to be a bit careful. There's some young children, some older people as well, so got to be a bit careful, but really excited. We're halfway through. Let's get on to course number 3. Well, that's course number 3 over with. That was really good fun. I could stay on these things all day. I think if I came back to Singapore, I'd definitely be doing this again. It's really, really great fun and great value. But we're going to get set to go down course number 4, the last course. Janet's going to just go next to me here. Let's go for it. Well, that was a pretty lonely race down the hill. I was adjusting the cameras at the top so Janet got away a bit. But really, really great fun nonetheless. And yeah, really sad it's over with, really. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button. Leave any comments down below if you've been here. And make sure to subscribe. There's lots more Singapore content coming up. We spent 6 days here. We can't wait to tell you guys all about it. And we will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.